Welcome to Pharmalytics. Today, we're diving into good laboratory practices, or GLP, an absolutely crucial aspect of pharmaceutical research and development. Whether you're a scientist, a quality assurance professional, or just curious about regulatory compliance, this video's got you covered. So, what exactly is GLP? In a nutshell, GLP is a quality system ensuring the reliability, consistency, and integrity of non-clinical laboratory studies. These practices are vital for supporting the safety, efficacy, and regulatory acceptance of pharmaceutical products. Agencies such as the FDA in the United States, EMA in Europe, MHRA in the UK, and the WHO globally enforce these guidelines. Now let's break down the key principles of GLP. First up, personnel responsibilities. Every team member must be trained and qualified for their role. Next, we have standard operating procedures, or SOPs. All activities should be guided by clear, written procedures. Documentation and record-keeping are crucial too. If it's not documented, it didn't happen. Every step must be recorded accurately. Then there's equipment and facilities. Instruments must be calibrated, maintained, and validated. Proper management of samples, reagents, and testing environments falls under test systems and study conduct. And lastly, data integrity and reporting. Raw data should be traceable, verifiable, and transparent to prevent errors or misconduct. Different regulatory bodies have specific requirements for GLP compliance. Here's a quick rundown. The FDA enforces GLP through 21 CFR Part 58, ensuring reliability in preclinical research. The EMA follows OECD GLP principles to standardize pharmaceutical testing across member states. The MHRA requires pharmaceutical labs to adhere to UK GLP Monitoring Authority standards, and the WHO encourages GLP adherence for drug safety assessments worldwide. Non-compliance with GLP can lead to some pretty serious consequences: data rejection, regulatory warnings, and even legal issues. So let's talk common violations and how to avoid them. Poor documentation is a big one. Always maintain clear, complete, and legible records. Uncalibrated equipment, regularly calibrate and validate all instruments. Lack of training is another pitfall. Make sure all personnel are trained and retrained periodically. Deviations without justification can also cause issues. If changes occur, document them properly with explanations. And lastly, data manipulation. Maintain transparency and traceability to avoid compliance issues. GLP isn't just about following rules, it's about ensuring patient safety and scientific credibility. By implementing good laboratory practices, we contribute to a safer, more reliable pharmaceutical industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from Pharmalytics. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, stay compliant and stay innovative.